Cooking Doc here. Today we're going to be making a brownie. It's a date brownie. These are no-bake date brownies, just a few ingredients. Great thing about these brownies is that there's no added sugar. We're actually using dates. Dates will be our flour and dates will be our sugar. Now, the date sugar is natural, but still at some level, all sugar is sugar. It still has calories. So just because we're not adding sugar doesn't mean you can take this recipe and just eat tons of brownies all at once and think that you're okay. All right, there's still sugar, it's just natural sugar, and we're offsetting some of the sugar with fiber from nuts and from oats. But really the taste is fantastic. These are also gluten-free and they're vegan, so they kind of check off a lot of boxes. The one thing to remember about these brownies is that they are high in potassium. So if you have kidney disease or are on dialysis or in a low potassium diet, don't make these brownies. All right, let's get cooking. This is a cup of raw almonds, not roasted. No salt added. This is a cup of walnuts, also unsalted. We're going to blend those up together. Once those nuts are blended pretty smooth, we're going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of oats, and 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. And then we are just going to pulse that once or twice until it's all mixed together. All right, let's set that cocoa mix to the side. And let's process our dates here. So these are pitted dates, really sweet, really delicious, and we're going to pulse them. This is about 14 ounces. It's usually one package worth of dates. The dates in this recipe are basically your substitute for sugar. You get all your sugar from the dates, and they're your substitute for flour because they kind of provide the background to hold the whole brownie together. So it's very healthy. We're going to blend this until it's all mushed together in a big date ball. All right, let's get our big date ball out and put it back in our bowl. We're going to put our cocoa mix back in here. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. And then we are going to blend, adding little date balls at a time in through the top. We're going to take our date mixture and put it in an 8x8 pan that's lined with parchment paper. And then we're going to sprinkle some walnuts and a few mini chocolate chips on top, paste it all down together, stick it in the fridge, and you got brownies. All right, that's it. Now you just pop it in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes or longer, and then you have date brownies. All right, let's cut these brownies. Beautiful. They're hold together really nicely after they've been sitting in the fridge. Just because they're healthy doesn't mean you can eat too many of them. Beautiful. Okay, here's your date brownies. Chocolate, nutty, cocoa, oats. Tastes just like regular brownies. So good. Thanks for watching the Cooking Doc Dessert Edition, something we don't often do, but it is important to have a little sweet in your life if you know how to do it right. So make these, enjoy it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Cooking Doc, follow us on Facebook as well, and Twitter and Instagram, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching The Cooking Doc. Healthy cooking made simple and delicious.